Hi, this is Sasha over here, and today I'll be discussing about a trick that you can use to develop research for your articles, and even develop ebooks. So let's start. I'm going to go over here and I will be using YouTube to search for content. Now let's see. I want to search about digital marketing course. Now the thing that you have to have over here, or the idea is that you want your articles to be in English. So I'm going to write digital marketing course and write English over here. So I get a number of courses that are even 10 hours long, 7 hours long, 5 minutes long, 11 hours long. So I'm going to go to this course over here, digital marketing full course, digital marketing tutorial for beginners. So I'm going to click on it and see if it is in English, and I'm going to check if they have their subtitles open. So they don't have the subtitles open, but what YouTube does is that they are auto generating these subtitles depending upon what they are saying. So this can be a bit tricky because sometimes the algorithm doesn't pick the right words and you get different words from what they're actually saying. So you can do this as well. You can have these videos as well, but I will suggest to have a video that have their subtitles or transcript uploaded by the content creator. So I'm going to go over here and search again, and this is a 7-hour long video by Edureka or Uderica. I'm going to click on it, and they have their subtitles open. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. You can see this is the video, and right beside the save button I'm going to click on these 3 dots, and over here it says show transcript. Now what I'm going to do is go to put a stop over here. I'm going to copy all of this from here, till the very end. Now after that I have copied all of this, there is a problem, which is when I go to Word and I click on it, you can see there are these numbers which basically indicate the timeline on the YouTube channel. I want these numbers to be removed. So there are these simple websites that can help you remove all this. The first one is I want to remove the digits. So I'm going to go remove digits from text. So text edit.tools, this is a good website for removing the digits. And over here to click on this and this. See, the digits are removed, but the semicolons are over there. So I'm going to copy to clipboard again. I'm going to go to remove punctuation from text and remove all punctuation from text. Go over here and it has removed all the punctuation. Now I'm going to copy this onto my clipboard, go to my Word document, remove this, and Ctrl+V. So we have all that they said in the video into a Word document. You can see there are a 60,422 words and 340 pages. So you can read it all. This will give you a great content for your research, and also you can tweak it or basically use it to develop an ebook. Remember, if you're using this content, be sure to source or be sure to credit the author or the actual content creator to avoid any legal obligations, and it is ethical as well. So I hope you like this small video, and I hope you'll be able to do better research in the future using this small simple trick by leveraging YouTube. Thank you.